My name is Taylor and I am a beauty influencer with Farmasi, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what comes in the kit whenever you join and everything that you're going to get with your $19.99 kit that you do purchase, plus tax and shipping. It's so amazing and I can't wait to show you guys. If you guys are interested in getting this kit and being a part of my team, just let me know and let's get started. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys what the kit looks like. This is the kit right here. It's a cute little box and it's on front and back. It has this little clasp right here that's magnetic, which is super awesome. I kept my box because I love to display them. And they're really durable. They can hold a good amount of stuff. Okay, so first things first, you're going to get a welcome card. This is basically them telling you, welcome to Farmasi. We're excited for you to be here. And they give you a little bit of rundown on what to expect with Farmasi. You're also going to get some samples, which I'm super excited to show you guys about. And in each kit, the samples do vary. It just depends on what they put in your kit. However, I do have 4 right here. You're going to get 4 in yours as well. These are the 4 I got, and I'm going to show them to you. I got the Stay Matte Foundation. This is one of our foundations, and they gave me 4 different shades right here. Super excited. And I also got the Garlic line. I'm obsessed with this line. This is my favorite line. If you're someone who has like thinning hair or your hair doesn't really grow, this is perfect for that. And you get the shampoo, the mask, and the oil. So this is what it looks like. And I also got the keratin line. So you get the shampoo, the mask, and the serum. And then I got the calendula line, which is the hand cream, face cream, and a sleeping mask. We no longer sell a sleeping mask, but it did come in my kit. I got this little pamphlet right here, which talks about the keratin line. Super awesome. It tells you what products are in that line and a little description and the pricing on those products. It tells you on the back here exactly what it's good for, and it shows you kind of, you know, like what it's supposed to do for your hair. You're going to get 2 adorable gift bags, which you can use for your customers if you know them in person, or you can use them to display on your live videos, whatever you'd like to do with them. You're going to get a VFX Pro little pamphlet here, and it talks about the foundation and the primer. Shows it right here. We have so many shades of this foundation, and then in the primer we actually have a strobe primer as well. This is the original one. You're gonna get a pamphlet that talks about the mascara. So we have 6 different mascaras here, all different ones. They all work really well, but it gives you a little description about each one and pricing and things like that. You're going to get 14 samples of our lipsticks. These are from all different lines that we have, except for the liquid lipsticks, but there are the lipsticks in here are from the different lines of actual lipstick tubes. Like the traditional ones that you would usually get, and there's all different shades in here, so you can try them. You can, you know, if you want to give them to some of your potential customers to try, things like that. You're gonna get a color chart. This is the color chart right here. Super handy when you have customers who are, you know, needing a color match for foundation, or if you just need to take a quick look and see like what colors would go best with somebody's eyes or things like that. Like for instance, there's the eyeshadow right here, and it tells you the colors it comes in, the pricing for it, and things like that, which is super awesome. I take that back, it doesn't say pricing. You're also going to get the skincare guide. So with this guide, we have tons of lines of skincare for all different kinds of skin types. I'm just going to flip to one right quick, and let's just do the tea tree line. So here it shows you all the products that come in this line, and it gives you a brief description about each of the products and the pricing and how much is in them, etc. You're going to get a opportunity guide. This right here can answer questions for you, give you a little rundown about Farmasi. It also has a map in here that shows you Farmasi's warehouse, which is this right here. This is in Istanbul, Turkey. That's where the company has originated from. It has been around for about 50 years or a little bit more than that. It has been in the US for network marketing for a year, which is super exciting, so you can hit the ground running whenever you purchase this kit. And on the back here, it tells you a little bit about the compensation plan and about commissions and things like that, so that's awesome. You're going to get 5 of these catalogs right here. This is this season's catalog, and it tells you all the products in here, and it talks about, you know, what might be good for what skin type. It talks about the different foundations, the different eyeshadows, the different lipsticks. We also have a men's line and a baby's line and perfume. There's so much when you get this kit, you guys. You're also going to get 50% commission, 50% off your products, a free website, no monthly fees, no sort of subscription or anything. There's always monthly incentives going on with Farmasi. You're also going to get the chance to have a team and become a leader, and you get tons and tons of training if you want it. There's so much opportunity here at this business, and I would love for you guys to be a part of that. If you are interested, just let me know. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them for you, and I hope you guys have a great day.